Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about note making, how you have to make notes. This is a part of your reading comprehension, and uh, read the passage carefully. First of all, after reading the whole passage, what you have to do is uh, give title related to that passage, and after giving title, the main idea you have title you have to give according to the main idea of the passage, and it should be brief, not very lengthy, or 4 to 5 words maximum. Try to give title in brief. Then what you have to do is note making. How you have to make notes of this passage, comprehension passage. After reading the whole passage carefully, one by one, this passage is divided into paragraphs. Count how many paragraphs are there in this passage, like 5 or 6 paragraphs are there in this passage. Then after, one by one, again read the paragraph. Like first para, read it carefully, then make the heading. Means after reading that paragraph, what you have to do, you have to give one heading, that is the main idea of that passage. In that heading you have to mention. Then after making the heading, you have to make subheadings of that paragraph, expressing the points, main points, and you have to be very brief when you express these points. Explain in brief. You can use abbreviation in heading and subheading. Abbreviation is must. You have to use. You have to don't write lengthy sentences when you give heading or when you write subheadings of that paragraph. So suppose there are 5 paragraphs in a passage. So first of all, first paragraph, give the main idea in heading, in the form of heading. Then explain the other main points in subheadings, like give number also to subheadings, like 1 2 3 4. After covering all the points, making heading and subheading of first paragraph, then come to second paragraph. Same you have to do. Read the paragraph, second paragraph carefully, and get the overall idea of that paragraph. Make heading of that paragraph. Then other ideas you can explain in brief, making subheadings, giving them number, and use abbreviations also in headings and subheadings. And you have to be very brief. Don't write lengthy sentences when you write title, or when you give heading, when you give subheadings. Likewise, you have to cover a whole passage, like first passage, second passage, third passage. Same process will be repeated. If you 5 passages are there, 5 paragraphs are there in a passage, then you have to give 5 subheadings, 5 headings, then subheadings. Likewise, you have to make notes. You can read example from your book. Headings and subheadings are in brief form. Then make a box and mention the words separately. You telling abbreviations means abbreviations which you have used, show them separately in a box, and this separate you have to show these abbreviations separately, and this will carry marks also. And then next is your summary. How you have to explain summary, like passage is there, it's very lengthy, and you have to short that passage according to, and your word limit is 80 to 100 words. In 80 to 100 words you have to describe the summary of that passage. So what you will do, main points of all the passages, of all the paragraphs you have to write. And if examples are given to prove anything, don't skip examples. Only take main ideas from each paragraph. Take main ideas and form till last. Form it in one form, explaining and chaining it, like proper beginning, proper middle part, proper ending. From beginning to end you have to show that all the points of that passage. From beginning to end all points should be covered in your summary. What is explained in the beginning, what is its motive, and till end you have to explain everything. Don't think that in that passage from first paragraph only you will write 80 word summary and it will give you marks. No, you have to explain all the points from beginning to end. After reading the whole passage, it should cover its ending part also. So I hope you understood how you have to write paragraph, how you have to write a summary. And you have to be very brief, and keep in mind word limit also. Exceeding the word limit will reduce your marks. So I hope you understood this. Thanks. Have a nice day.